Yes, good evening all. Good evening everyone. Good evening all. Are you here?
Good evening, sir.
How was
Good
your
evening, sir.
how was your exam?
It
How was
was good,
Fine,
sir.
sir.
how was your rest of the exams like other exams?
Sir,
How was your rest of the exams?
Yes, sir, they were fine.
say voice is low. Can you repeat once again? Sorry.
How was your rest of the exams? How was your maths exam and other exams?
Yeah, a maths exam was good, sir. And also, they had also given bonus marks in English today. Everything's fine. It's good.
Bonus marks for English, yeah?
Yes.
Why?
Actually,
Sir,
sir,
actually,
in
the
English,
paper was quite messed up, actually, because
Acha,
many options were right, and the passage they gave was also
there are multiple correct options.
yes, sir. The paper wasn't right for English.
the thing we got, sir, JSK 1,
Hmm?
there was a first passage in that which was offending towards a woman.
Acha.
So that raised some issue, and then they had to give us full marks for that passage.
Okay, apart from that passage, you had uh, apart from that passage, you had other questions also wrong.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I think there were some.
There were some, not in this every subject, even social science, English. When I saw the answer keys, a lot of questions were wrong.
Yes, sir, especially English. I too was surprised. It was actually the hardest.
Sorry, shut up. Can you please repeat again? You're saying something.
Yes, sir, I too think the same. English was quite messed up.
Acha. Okay. What about others? Maths. Is there any?
No, sir,
Any
math was
Question
perfect.
was out of syllabus. There was one question, right? So concyclic, some question was there.
Okay. Anyhow, but how was your test? How did you feel? You had choice, right? So whatever the question you just didn't know, just you might have left under choice, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
So overall, can we expect 40 out of 40?
Yes, sir, I'm expecting 40.
Great, such great. What about others? Like Pratyusha, can you please tell me? Yes, the today after many sessions we are taking the class. So I would request every one of you to talk in the class and just tell me how was your exams. Yeah, yeah. Tell me one by one. Yes, Pratyusha, tell me.
So 35 above.
About 35. Great. So how was your how did you feel the paper? Why
It was nice.
it was nice. So then why can't you get 40 out of 40 beta?
So calculation mistakes.
You might I just have been telling you the same thing from long. So you need not to make calculation mistakes, isn't it? You don't make calculation mistakes. So yeah, okay, no problem. 35 above. Yes. So great. And what about other subjects?
So they were also good.
Great. What about Ashish?
Sir,
Ashish.
yes, sir. It was okay.
So maths. How was your maths test?
Sir, good, sir. It was okay, sir.
Okay. How much you are expecting?
Sir, 30 above, sir.
Okay. So what about other subject, Ashish?
Sir, other subjects were good, sir.
Okay. Okay. What about Anujit?
Sir, yes, sir. Mathematics, I'm expecting like 36, 37 marks.
Mm-hmm.
And other subject, I've done well. Yeah. Just a few questions. If they correct it, I'll do better, a lot better.
Few questions.
Yeah, few questions, as I told, they were wrong, right? So
Hmm.
if they correct them, then I will get very good marks. Yeah.
So overall, you can expect 36 above.
Yeah, yes. In mathematics, 36, 37 above.
Great. What about other subjects?
Yeah, other subjects were also good, sir. I've done well.
Okay. So what about you, Tanvi?
Yes, sir. I'm getting about 35 in maths.
Okay. 35 above in maths. Okay. So here, look at this here. Still, you will not be having any kind of results like, pass, fail after term and exam. Yeah, you will be having your marks. Yeah, you can expect your marks. They will release your marks, but pass, fail, and all, like, they are gonna decide after your term to exam only. After, writing the subjective format test only, they are going to release your result. I mean, percentage of your maths test. Math subject, the percentage of the math subject they are going to release after term to exam, which means, like, total percentage, and the pass fail they are going to decide after term and exam. Even you get less marks in this term or exam, there is a chance of, recovering all the marks in a term to exam, so that you can, cover your result, like your maximum, to the maximum. So you will be getting your marks, not, for pass fail. All right. Yeah.
And also they said this year there's some moderation policy, it seems. So even if for worst case, even if someone gets very less marks,
Mhm.
they're saying that they'll add a few marks to make the result as pass.
Yeah. There will be there, but maximum, everyone will pass. So like, we all are not border students. We all are toppers. So everyone topper here. So I feel that, everyone would get above, like, good marks, like, above 30, 35, something like that. I don't think so. Any one of you are here, like, very, like, at a border marks. Border marks mean, like, no one. I don't think so. People will be for 33% marks. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I don't think so. People will be for 33% marks, and everyone will get marks. So the people, look at this here, don't think and don't take it as advantage that, yeah, there will be some moderations, that even we get less marks, so they'll consider it as a pass. Don't think in that way. Our target should be 100%. So we have to give 120% on an everyday basis. It's not that we have to, prepare for worst case. Yeah, if we get that type of, condition, if you're in that type of condition, what best we can do, how best we can solve in that, process. So you have to prepare in such a way that you can just give your best 120%. It is not like, in worst case they'll pass us, like I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm sure no one will be in that mindset, with that mindset, but I'm sure that, everyone is like, everyone, like, will do a better in term to exam, will prepare in such a way that we are performing and we are getting 100% from term 2 as well. All right, so that, overall we're going to get 100 out of 100% from mathematics. So even you get about 95%, I should see from every one of you. So 95% in the sense, like, how much you can expect. So 95 marks. All right. So all right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So hope it is
Yes,
clear with everyone. Yes, Tanvi, Pratibha, tell me, Pratibha, just make it fast. Pratibha,
Yes, sir. 34.
34. Have you gone through your key?
Yes, sir.
So you are getting 34 correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amrita Patnaik,
Yes,
tell me.
sir. I think I'll get 39.
You will get 39. Why not 40, beta?
Sir, according to the key, I made one mistake.
Acha. Have you gone through your mistake then?
Yes, sir. Silly mistake.
What is that mistake?
Sir, in one case study based question, I did a mistake.
अयो छोड़ो अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम लोग अभी. Still you have a chance to recover your marks, like the 39, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, next you have to get 60 out of 60. So 99% you must get. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Udbhav, what about you? Udbhav? Udbhav? Are you here, Udbhav? Everyone should talk. You see, this is a very good time to us, discuss about this. We will not discuss every day, right? Just a minute. I'm posting a message in the group. Diksha and who else didn't join? Diksha. Udbhav is there. Tushar. And who else? I don't remember them. Can you please suggest your friend's name? From girls, Amrita, Pratisha, Tanvi is here. So who else? Please tell your friend's name. Ahil, Akhil. Who else? Make it fast. Tell me the names. Can you please see the list and tell your friend's name? I don't remember anyone's name. I mean, I'm not getting your. I remember your name, but I'm not getting their names. I'm posting their names in the group so that they will join, or else we'll see in the WhatsApp. Himanshu. Himanshu. Yogesh. Steve. Yes. I just posted the names. Okay. So 39. You are expecting 39. Amrita ji. Okay. What about Udbhav? Udbhav, are you here? उद्भव कुछ ना कुछ बात करना ही करना है क्लास में, ठीक है? उद्भव जी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Udbhav, tell me how was your test? How much we can expect? How much you are expecting from
31.
31? Have you gone through key?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको 31 मार्क्स मिल रहा है. So 31 marks you are getting as per the key.
Yes.
Ashish, how much you are getting?
32, sir.
As per the key, you are getting 32. Please tell me genuinely. Everyone
Yes, sir. As per the key only, sir.
As per the key, you are getting 32. Such a okay, good.
Sir, in key some mistakes are there.
Yeah, whatever. You will be getting more or less 32, something like that, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Around 32.
So shut up. You have you gone through the key?
Yes, sir. According to the key, I'm getting 40.
No problem. Okay, so 32 you will get. Udbhav, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Great. And okay, so let's begin the session today. So we were without any delay, we'll go with term 2 syllabus. All right. So from term 2, what are the topics we have done with? Let's have a look at the syllabus. Okay, 1 second. Just a minute. Yeah. So I think people, sir, we have some silly functions. So Yogesh can't join the class. Chalo. So everyone have a look at the syllabus. Let me share the screen. So come to class 10th, right? Ninth का है, 10th का term to कहाँ है? This is your syllabus, right? Look at this. अच्छा, हाँ, 10th first term, second term. You have second term here. Look at this. So quadratic equations we have done, if I'm not wrong. We have gone through very detailedly quadratic equation. Arithmetic progressions also we have finished, isn't it? Haven't we finished? Hello? We have done. Everyone should tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we're done with
Yes, sir, we
arithmetic.
have
Yes.
done it.
So circles,
Yes, sir, we finished that.
circles. Construction yet to be done. Applications of trigonometry also we finished.
Yes, sir, we did.
Surface areas and volumes also we did.
Yes.
तो बचा क्या है भाई? हाँ? Statistics also we have done, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir, we have
तो
done it.
बच्चा रिविजन ही है सर.
हाँ देखो
Sir,
revision-
construction we didn't do.
हाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन भी डिडक्ट. कंस्ट्रक्शन में कुछ नहीं होता है. देखो कंस्ट्रक्शन में होता है जो क्वेश्चन में दिया होता है. एज पर दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द फिगर एंड दैट यू हैव टू राइट द थिंग. यू हैव
Yeah.
टू राइट द प्रोसीजर हाउ यू कन्वर्ट दैट इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज. दैट इज ऑल यू हैव टू डू देयर. ऑलराइट, कंस्ट्रक्शन में कुछ नहीं है. इट्स नॉट लाइक देयर इज सम रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन यू हैव टू राइट इन दैट वे ओनली. यू कैन यूज योर ओन लैंग्वेज बट ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइक यू कांट यूज लाइक व्हाटएवर यू थिंक. But whatever you have done, that should be a perfect structure of your sentence formation. All right. So yeah.
Yes, sir.
So hope it is clear. So हम लोग like we have just left with only one topic. So I thought like we have left with so many topics. After looking at the syllabus, like we just left with only one topic. So we can finish it off that topic and just we'll go for revision, isn't it? So we have plenty of time, but the all you need to do is like let us get different type of questions and just we'll go for the questions. Okay. Let us go through different type of questions. All right. Clear? So our target
Sir,
is
I'm
what?
not sure if we're done with statistics.
Sorry,
I'm not sure if we're done with statistics.
you are not sure? Hello? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. I said I'm not sure if we are done with statistics.
Statistics, you are not sure? No, I think for now, I think that you have done the statistics also, isn't it?
It's of group data, right? So we need to draw the table, class interval, then sigma, fi, xi, all of that stuff. I don't think we did that.
See, group data का मतलब होता है group data में table होता है, ठीक है? Table class होता है, एक class interval होता है, frequency
sir.
होता है, group data. And ungrouped data में normal data you'll be having. You have to find a mean, a median of that particular ungrouped data. So you have only, I think you have only mean, median, mode, graph grouped data. Only grouped data you have, not ungrouped data. So we have discussed this, I'm sure. Mean
Okay,
by
sir.
direct method and assumed mean by yeah, we have done this, and I remember for class 9 also have done, for class 11th also have taught this. So yeah, but check it out. If not, we'll go for that. That is pretty easy topic. So इसमें कुछ नहीं है ज़्यादा ऐसा rocket
Yes, sir. I'm
science.
done with it.
Yeah, very simple actually. Yeah, so constructions, tell me construction. Shall we go for the construction? Tell me बेटा, construction में थोड़ा हमको
Yes,
you
fine.
construction. Just a minute, excuse me.
Construction में I think you have to on the webcam for that, sir.
I'm sorry.
We have to on our webcams for that.
Yes. So let's see, 1 second. First, let us go for that. Let me just show the page. Look at this. Construction में क्या होता है? पहले tell me what are the things you have learned from the construction from your school, right? Tell me, what do you mean by construction? Oh. Construction is a pretty easy topic. ठीक है? Tell me. Like you might have learned about, like, let us have a look at one more. Division of a line segment in a given ratio internally. Okay, so internal divide is tangents to a circle from a point outside of it. देखो, tangent to a circle from, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of the second statement? देखो पॉइंट इधर है, ठीक है. So from this tangent to a circle from a point outside it, outside of a circle have a point here. From this I'm making a tangent here, ठीक है. If I have, I can draw from this point, I can draw one more tangent like this. Okay, this is how I can draw tangents. All right, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? So that is the meaning of that.
Yes, sir.
So no, we will just go for the question so that you will understand. Division of a line segment in a given ratio, which means internally. All right, yes. Tell me. So first we'll talk about the concept called okay. So basically we'll discuss here how to construct the division of a line segment, how to construct the division of the line segment, construction of triangles using that, scale factor, construction of tangent to a circle with the two different cases. All right, I mean two different cases means like drawing a tangent from here outside like this. Just now how I drawn, just now I have drawn right from the point, drawing a tangent like this, drawing a tangent like this. We'll be looking at those type of questions. And yeah, just that's it, that is what we have to go for. Okay, no problem. Look at this. First let us go with dividing a line segment concept. Okay, dividing a line segment. What do you mean by line segment? Anyone of you please tell me?
A line segment has two endpoints and it is finite.
Look at this. Yes, so first in this you'll be getting a case called bisecting a line segment. Bisecting a line segment. All right, so first, like how the procedure would be for this particular topic. Okay, so you write step by step, whatever you just construct, you have to write step by step. Okay, so make sure that you are writing everything in a step by step manner. All right, so basically if I take look at this here, so first step, let me the first step. So what, like how can I draw, how can we draw? Any idea? Can anyone of you please tell me how can we draw? What we should take the first step? We have to take what? More like we have to take radius of more than half of the length of the line segment. How many of you know this step? So look at this. We have to, the first step would be with the help of radius, the radius of more than half the length, more than half the length of kiska line segment, of the line segment, okay. So and just draw the arcs. Okay, draw arcs centered at either end, both the ends. Okay, either end of that particular line segment, of the line segment. Okay, let's say element so that they intersect on either side of the line segment. This is if I write in a technical way, this is how we need to write. So yeah, so if not, like you can write your own way as well. So this is how I can, so we'll draw the diagram as well. Let me show to you. So let me write one more, like what could be the, after drawing this, look at it here, take a radius of more than half of the length of the line segment, more than like आधा से ज़्यादा. ठीक है, someone is waiting in the room, no one. Okay, आधा से ज़्यादा, draw arcs centered at either end of the line segment. ठीक है, so that they intersect on either side of the line segment. Let's see how can we draw that, guys. So look at this. So first, then next after writing, what you have to do, join the points. I'll be showing the diagram as well after writing this step. So join the points of intersection. Very interesting topic actually. ये ड्रॉ करने में बहुत मजा आता है. Join the points of intersection. ठीक है. So join the points of intersection. So then we are talking about bisecting, right? Bisecting a line. So then what happens? क्या होता है? The line segment would be, or line segment is bisected by the line segment joining the, let me, this is joining the what can we, joining the points, then the points of intersection. Okay, so look at this here. Let me show you. For suppose I have a for suppose I have a line like this. Let me take कुछ भी रहेगा. This have AB line segment. ठीक है. So half, more than half radius. देखो more than half radius मेरा ये center हो गया. ठीक है. More than half radius. You just draw an arc from here and from here. ठीक है. If I draw from point A to here, from B to here. So तो क्या होगा? Guys, do you know how to draw this arc? आ रहा है समझ में आपको? With the help of that, so you know, if you draw an arc, इधर से भी एक arc, इधर से भी एक arc, and इधर से. So are you people able to imagine here? How can we draw this? Guys,
Yes, sir.
easy, isn't it? Very easy. Actually, जिसमें सोचने का कैसा ड्रा कर रहा है, इधर इधर ऐसा randomly you should not draw actually. Randomly don't draw here. ठीक है. So from A, all right, from B. Okay. Okay, so okay. And from here, let me draw straight. Okay, straight is ठीक है. हाँ. So now, if you just draw, like if you just mix all this, it will get like this. So look at this. You just consider this as some point and this as some point. कुछ भी मान लो. मैंने इसको मान लिया मैंने P, इसको मान लिया मैंने Q. All right. ये मेरा क्या होगा? सेंटर. उसको ये इसको O मान लो. ठीक है. सेंटर है. What is this here? PQ is what? Perpendicular bisector of what? AB. Isn't it? So that is what I have done. Whatever I have just told in first and second points, first and second point, I have done everything in the this diagram. Okay. So let me just what do you call, just me enlarge this diagram steps. इसमें देखो क्या है step. Given a line segment, क्या दिया है? Given a line segment which is AB, ठीक है, and divide it in the ratio of m:n. m:n मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ? लाइन सेगमेंट को हम जस्ट डिवाइडिंग इन द रेशियो ऑफ m:n, where both m and n are क्या होता है? What are these? Positive integers. These are positive integers. ठीक है. Where both m and n are positive integers. So for suppose let me say that m and n ratio कितना है? लेकर मैंने ले लिया कुछ भी, like 4:3. Then क्या होता है? m will be 4, n will be 3. All right, like that. Hope it is clear. Already we have discussed in term and syllabus what is m internally क्या होता है, externally क्या होता है. So we have to divide internally. We have to learn internal process only here. Given a line segment AB which is divided in the ratio of m:n, where m and n are what? Positive integers. देखो. हाँ. So for suppose let me take for example मैंने ले लिया कुछ भी ऐसा m:n. देखो for suppose example m:n मैंने ले लिया as कुछ भी ले लो भाई. देखो 3:1 और 3:2 कुछ भी ले लो, एग्जाम्पल ले लो. then which means what, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. ठीक है, तो let me draw any ray, any first ray. What is like, you have this question, beta. ठीक है, you have, this type of question basically. Let's say that, you have given with this type of statement. देखो हमने कैसा construct करना है. How should I construct? Guide, I'm just drawing manually, but you have to draw with, your, geometry box. वो तो पता है ना सबको? Everyone knows that, right? Yeah. So what could
Yes,
be my
sir.
steps? देखो, very very simple. Like, you need not to worry. Need not to worry. Very simple. Tell me, how can we draw this? First, like, you might have learned. Just draw any ray. Like, draw any ray. So with acute angle. Acute angle is matlab what? Less than 90 degrees, isn't it? Acute angle is nothing but less than 90 degrees. Draw any ray which makes an acute angle. Okay, so let me take AB given, right? AB line segment. So this is my point A. So I'm making an array. Let me say that this is my, okay, could be X. Okay, AX ray I have drawn. Okay, so let me just draw the diagram, make the diagram right hand side, and then we'll write the procedure how we have done. So make it an acute angle. So with the line segment, AB line segment, right? AB line segment. This is my AB line segment. Okay. So this is A and B. Okay. So look at this here. How many parts, how many units I have here? देखो 3 plus 2 कितना? 3 is 2. मतलब like 3 plus 2 units. How many 2? 3 plus 2, which is 5 units. So you have to just divide in 5 units. You have to locate. You have to indicate 5 units on that particular array, which is AX. ठीक है. So first क्या करना है? Just he has given 3:2 ratio, right? 3 plus 2, how many units? 3 units plus 2 units, which means 5 units. So 5 units. Look at this. Let me say that कुछ भी ले लो. मेरे पास A1, A, B, then 3, okay, 4 and 5. Total 5 units I have, like 5 units. So 5, what do you call that? I just gave 5 units here. So let me say that इसको दे दो A1, इसको दे दो A2, इसको दे दो A3, इसको दे दो A4, इसको दे दो A5. ठीक है. I have just given the names. Okay. So look at this here. He has given what? So first step, what I have written is I just drawn a ray called AX, making an acute angle with the line segment AB. So after that, I just located 5 units of 5 points on the AX array in such a way that this one A1 is equal in all this distance will be same here. Distance between the here I have to write that first. Let me write first step. What is the first step I have written? Draw any array AX making an acute angle with AB line segment. AB line segment. Any doubts here? First step. Second step.
No doubt.
Simply locate 5 points. 5 points, which are I just took A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5 on array AX in such a way that, or such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. आ रहा है समझ में? Yes or no? Look at this. That is what I wrote here. देखो दोनों इस distance between these two, everyone should be same. ठीक है? And now after that, what must I do here? So yeah, you do one thing. So इसको थोड़ा इधर ले लेंगे. B, right? So first, then you join these two. ठीक है? Join these two. So join कर दो. All right. So I've drawn an first. I have drawn a ray called AX. After that, I just located 5 points. So you have to draw that AX ratio with acute angle. Okay. So then I have joined BX. Then what I have done, whatever you do, whatever the process you do, just write that. That is your procedure. Okay. So join BA5. All right. Why we are joining BA5? Tell me what is why we are joining that. Anyone of you? What is the reason, beta? Batao. This distance would be, this is AB ratio. What I have given 3:2 ratio, right? Yes or no? People are you able to understand here?
Yes, sir.
So let me say कुछ भी center, मेरा center ले लो C. So A C कितना 3:2. मतलब ये 3 यूनिट हो गया. This one will be 3 units and this will be 2 units. So yeah, this will be 3 units. This will be 2 units. Which means now where should I just join the third point? A third point, this is my C, right? I have to join here. Dekho. I have to join C and A3 here. Dekho. I have to join these two. Why? Because 3:2 ratio, isn't it? He has given 3 units and 2 units. Dekho. So that is what I have done. So join B AFI. That's my third step. So next fourth step, what I have done? Fourth step, what can I write here? Then so and from or like through or from through the point. Which point? To the point. Which point? A3 draw the parallel line to what? Parallel line to whom? BFI. मैंने क्या किया देखो ध्यान से सुनो. I have just drawn this line which is parallel to what? BFI. I have drawn a parallel line to BFI. All right. So BFI. So this angle, look at this here, angle if I look at this angle should be equal to what? For making sure, this will be this. Whatever the angle we have here, that will be this angle. Okay, acute angle, right? Huh. So I have drawn a parallel line to BFI in such a way that making equal angle with what? Making equal angle to which? Making equal angle to whom? इसको BFI को. ठीक है? Make it equal angle to, let write AFI B. इसके बराबर making with respect to making an equal angle to this one. I just drawn a parallel line to BFI. ठीक है? By making the same angle and to the point A3 parallel to AFI at A3 which is intersecting AB कहाँ पे? At point called C. C पे तो touch कर रहा है. So just you write in your own language. So then what would happen here? What is the thing? AC कितना है? What is AC? How much AC? AC is 3. CB how much? 2. So here AC is equal to 3 units and CB is equal to 2 units. All right. So look at this here. This diagram denotes what? What is this diagram denotes here? What is the diagram denotes? Division of what? A line segment. देखो ध्यान से सुनो. This diagram denotes here what? Division of line segment. This is what I have done. ये तो 4 steps I have done. Any doubt बेटा इसमें कुछ कोई doubt है? Any doubts here? Very simple, isn't it? Whatever I have done, whatever the thing I have drawn, there I just wrote in my construction. You can say this is my construction. isn't it? Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So by using proportionality theorem, we can just do this. Okay, very simple actually. So now this is what the concept of what? This is what the concept of division of a line segment. Division of a line segment. Any doubts? I just took an example. I just explained you. Any doubts? Any doubts? Very, isn't it a simple thing? Isn't it a simple thing actually? Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
yeah. So A1 plus A1 A2 plus A2 A3 divided by A3 A4 A4 A5.
Yeah. 3 is to 3. See.
Say it's same thing. 3 is to 2.
Yeah. Look at this here. ये 3 units है, ये 2 units है. इसके हिसाब से, ठीक है? Understood? Anudip ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are right. That is what, see, this is how your diagram, more or less, will be having your diagram like this, dividing a line segment, division of a line segment. This is the diagram of, this is the concept of division of a line segment. Now let's talk about, so I think we have this concept, one division of a line segment, a given ratio. Okay, okay. Triangles tangent to a circle, only these two things we have in your syllabus. So let us go through only this one. Okay, let us know whatever he has given in your syllabus, let us go for that, and let
Yes,
us go through that perfectly. उस पे हम लोग perfect होना चाहिए, लेकिन we can discuss other stuff as well, but there is no point of they are not going to ask in your exam, but make sure that you are understanding everything in a detailed way. Okay, so we'll solve the question. This is a concept, this is how you need to go for that. Okay, so
Yes.
next concept we'll go for that. Girls, are you able to understand drawing tangents to a circle? If you draw with your geometry, your geometry equipment, then you will just very accurately you will get that. Any doubts here? Amrita ji, Ashish, Shadab?
no, sir.
Shadab, are you here?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
It's a very simple thing. Already you might have done from your school study, if I'm not wrong. Have you done with this topic?
No, sir. I'm not done with.
Yeah, very simple. You will still, you'll be able to understand if they teach you again. So Tanvi, Tushar, Steve, Ashish, Amrita, Pratisha, Pratyuva, they have left the meeting. Don't know why. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Great.
Understood, sir.
So drawing a tangent. Tangent का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, drawing a line by touching to that particular point is a tangent. Normal का मतलब क्या होता है? This is my tangent, right? This is my tangent. Normal का मतलब होता है drawing a perpendicular line through that particular point is normal. This is my normal. This is my tangent. See, this normal you will be learning in your class 11th, and but you just go through what is tangent now. You will be learning in your class 11th. Normal ये आपका normal you don't have in your 10th standard. Only tangent you have. Normal you will be learning in your class.
So
11th.
normal and
Tangent and normal. All right. Yes. Tell me, Anujit.
now I was saying that normal and diameter is the same. Is it?
No.
Normal is like secant.
Yeah.
right?
Look. See. Yes. Diameter would be like from this end to this end only.
Yeah, is diameter that's extended. Diameter which is extended.
Then what would you call that?
A secant.
Yeah. Look at it. This is what is this?
Chord.
God. What is this?
Secant.
Sir.
Huh?
Secant.
What is this?
Diameter.
What is this?
Secant again.
Yes, that is what. Can you find the difference between all this now?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is my longest chord of the circle. Okay. This is my But look at this here. Tangent पे क्या होता है? Tangent. What happens in tangent? First, let us write the definition. A tangent to a circle is a line which touches the circle, which touches the circle at exactly 1 point. Very simple definition. Touching the circle at exactly 1 point. Therefore, let me write a. So for every point on the circle, there is a unique tangent passing through it. Already we have learned this note in your circles lesson. Okay, but still no problem. Look at this. This is what they have given. So if I talk about a diagram, look at this here. Let me just go for a circle. This is my circle. Let's say that I have a point here. See that a line is touching a circle. That line is touching to that circle at exactly 1 point. That is what tangent. Now let's say that you have, this is the, let's say that I have AB, PQ, B. Okay, and is touching at point P. Let's say that. Okay, so what is this diagram is all about? Here AB is a line segment. Sorry, AB is a tangent. AB is the tangent. AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent touching the circle. Touching the circle at point P. Okay, this is what the diagram is all about. All right, so this is how the process of drawing a tangent on a circle at exactly 1 point. Okay, so this is, so now look at this. Now let's talk about few more steps. From outside point also the look at this. Now construction of two tangent. Dekho. How many of you look at this? My center here. This is my center. Let me call that as O. If I join that OP, that will be perpendicular to what? AB. So see, everyone of you know that, and everyone of us know that we cannot draw a tangent from inside of a circle. No, it cannot be. This cannot be tangent. There is no possibility of drawing a tangent from inside of the circle. By taking a point from inside of the circle, you never draw a tangent. All right, so we will draw a tangent from a point which lies on circle or outside of the circle. ठीक है? So from let's say that a point here, इधर से मैं एक tangent ड्रा कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है? इधर से एक tangent ड्रा कर सकता हूँ, इधर से कुछ भी एक, इधर से कुछ भी एक, मगर I never draw a tangent from a point which is lies inside the circle. So everyone should know that. All right, so yeah, everyone knows that. Now let's talk about construction. देखो, construction of tangent. Construction of tangent to a circle. Construction of a tangent to a circle. Dekho. Just now I have, still everyone knows, but still. Dekho, first what I have to write. So first let me draw a circle with the required, radius or, the required radius with the center. कुछ भी ले लो with the center. I just took it as some O. Okay. So join the center. Look at this. If I just join the center, okay. This is my center O. Just let me say कुछ भी एक point ले ले मैंने P point. I just joined this two. All right. So now OP is what here? Radius. Now for drawing a perpendicular line to this particular, drawing a perpendicular line to that radius OP through that what? Through the point called P. And this line will be what? Tangent to that particular circle. This is how the construction of a tangent to a circle, isn't it? Yes. And now guys, everyone know that, look at the two tangents can be drawn to a circle from the point outside of the circle, and we know that when you draw from outside of the circle, length of the two tangents would be equal. All right, lengths of these two tangents, if I draw a tangent from outside point of that particular circle, then lengths of those two tangents will be equal. All right, yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone knows. Now we'll talk about, look at this here. Same thing, but look at this. Construction of two tangents. From a point which lies outside. A point outside of the circle. I'm writing somewhat, I'm not writing good with a good handwriting. So hope it is understandable to everyone. Can you understand what I'm writing here, children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very simple. So let us not give importance to the writing. Understanding the concept is very important. See, how can I draw? What is the construction? What is the procedure? So look at this. I can just give you the step. The first step could be consider. मेरे पास एक circle है. Look at, let me take a circle here. These are very simple actually. LKG steps and all very simple actually. Okay. Like whatever you do, whatever you perform on the paper with the geometry equipment, that is what you have to write. So I just took. मेरे पास कुछ भी point है, ठीक है? I have some point here outside of the circle. Outside of the circle have a point. Let's say that this is my center here. This is my center. Outside of the circle I have some point. कुछ भी point ले लो इधर. I have a point called. One second. Let me take some more here. Let me take कुछ भी point ले लो. Point P ले लिया मैंने. ठीक है? So I just considered a point P which is away from the circle. So what is my step one? I just took, look at this diagram. How I implement the diagram. While implementing the diagram, how I'm writing the steps. So just look at that. So consider the point or a point. Consider a point. Consider a point P from the outside. From the outside the circle. Outside the circle with center O. All right, this is my first step. So I'm writing the diagram here. Okay. Next step could be, look at this. Now if I just join these two now, look at this, let me join these 2 points. One second, children. Actually, I'm gonna draw a straight line. 1 second. 1 second. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just joining these points. Okay. I'm joining what? Next, what I wrote? Joining or else write join points P and O. Okay. I have joined P and O, which bisect. Look at this. Which bisects the line, PO. Okay, which PO. Okay, so let me draw a line here so that, look at this. Okay, so let me take कुछ भी point ले लो A here. ठीक है, so मैं कुछ भी point ले लिया, line PO, and you let A be the midpoint of what? PO. ठीक है, so now what I have to do here? Simply you take more than half radius, just draw an arc here. From here you draw one arc, and from here you draw this, from here you draw this, join that, you will get the same thing again. Yes or no? Very simple actually. Clear? So now what could be my next step? Let me just write the next step. Now I am drawing a circle by taking A as a center. You have to draw a circle. Look at this here. You have to draw a circle. With the center. Oh, एक minute. I have to draw a circle here. I have to draw a circle like this. I have to draw a circle like this. Like this is, you have to draw a circle like this. Not a circle actually, but that's how you have to draw. Okay, so that is how you have to draw a circle. Just consider that as a circle. It is not looking like as a circle. All right. All right, so this is how you have to draw a circle with the center A. Okay. All right, yes or no? Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I have two circles here. So now the points are intersecting here, right? So I have a point here, So I took A. Let me take this as B. Let me take this as C. All right. Yes. So just let me write whatever I have done. Let me write in the third steps. So draw a circle taking A as a center. All right, and AO as radius, isn't it? I'm taking A as a center, AO as a radius, or PA as a radius, isn't it? So and this circle, let me write in one way, this circle will intersect at two different, but 2 points. I took that as what? I took that as B and C, right? B and C on what? On the center, sorry, on the circle, with center O, isn't it? Is a valid statement. Look at this here. I'm drawing a circle with the help of center A and AO radius or PA radius, and the circle intersect at two different points B and C. On which circle? On the circle with a center O. Very simple, isn't it? So now what I have to do? Simply look at this here. I'm just joining. Let me just join. Join the point P and B. I'm just joining the point this and this. Okay, let me just join this. I'm joining the point this and PB and PC. I'm joining. Okay, PB and PC. All right. So this is how I got, and I have just joined P with a B and P with a C, so that PB and PC are the required tangents, isn't it? These are the required tangents. Look at this. If I just extend this, this is my required tangent. Yes or no? Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So if I just look at this, so now, guys, this should be an arc. Actually, it is looking like it is looking like through this B. This should be arc like this. Okay, I just wrote it. Okay, okay, this is circle actually. Okay, this is arc, not line.
Yes.
Okay, so now if I join this, look at this BO. If I join this, okay, sir. Yes, 1 minute. So I just joined B and O here. So if I join BO, what happened? What happens? See what happens if I join BO here. What happens here? PO is what, my diameter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
PO is what? Diameter. Diameter of the circle with a center what? With a center what? A. PO is a diameter with a center A. Okay. So what happens now? Now I can just stop. Angle PBO is an angle in a semicircle. All right. This is an angle of a semicircle, isn't it? PBO is an angle in a semicircle. Okay. So then what happens? Angle in a semicircle.
Then
How
it
much?
should be 90 degrees.
Very good, beta. Very good. Look at this angle. How much? Here PBO कितना होगा? 90 degrees होगा. Very very good actually. तो हम तो angle in a semicircle will be 90 degrees. So since OB is what? Radius of the circle with a center O, and PB is what? PB is a tangent. PB is a tangent of the circle through what? Point P. So this is my point. इधर से मैं tangent ड्रा कर सकता हूँ. this से मैं tangent ड्रा सकता हूँ. Now look at this. PBO is what? 90 degrees, which means angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. So I just wrote 3 points only. Then whatever the next step you have to write in your own language. Okay. So okay. So this is how we can. Similarly, we can just go with the PC as well. PC as well. PC is a tangent to the point C. This is how we can draw. Very simple, isn't it? A simple. Tell me, guys. Isn't it very simple? Actually, we'll solve the question so that you can understand. All right. So thank you. You can leave the session now. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me. Yeah. Thank you.